Hello, I'm Sarah, and this is Video Ground. This is a video series about spaces between buildings. Today, I'm going to introduce you to Bank Place. Bank Place is located between Collins Street and Little Collins Street, running north to south. As we approach it from Collins Street, the long slope appears. Since we are facing north, the light at the end of lane ahead invites us to enter this path. The lane is about 2 meters wide and is covered using 2 colors of pavers. You'll find the rectangular pattern used throughout the laneway. Since the walls on the side don't offer much, it gives an impression of circulation. Now we have reached the flat ground. Space has opened up as the laneway became about 3 times wider. But since there are outdoor areas of the restaurant on the side, it doesn't look too empty. You can tell from the windows of the adjacent buildings that this level is about 3 meters above Collins Street. This lane is characterized by several heritage-listed buildings built in the 1860s. There is a sense of calmness, potentially due to the cream and grey colors of the rendered facades and blockwork. The subtle signages allow us to pay more attention to the buildings rather than the businesses within these buildings. There is an atmosphere of European street, as these buildings are around 7 stories high, that resemble the middle-rise apartments in cities like Barcelona. If there were no restrictions on dining during pandemic, the restaurants here would have contributed to the vibrancy of the laneway. I feel like there is a comfortable height relationship between people, street and buildings, and I think Bank Place achieves it in its unique way. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave comments below and check out my blog and Instagram. Thank you!